Welcome to the show, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. You are going to love this channel tonight. We're going to be talking about storage compartments for earrings of all things, and we transform them into key storage. I mean, these are great products. I've got a pile of them. I took all these keys. Now this amounts to 4 days of hard labor. I spared you from watching all of that because you just want to see what it looks like, don't you? Yeah, I think you do. So here's my cases. I have cases inside my truck. Here's some of them that hold my keys. I want to cut you a key, but I don't know where the keys are at. And they say, well, what kind of locksmith are you? And I'd say, well, I'm a retired locksmith. LingLingo is the way to fly. All my keys, I got them all cataloged, and it took 6 of those containers to hold these keys right here. Imagine if you got a stockpile of keys, which I really do. These are the keys that are commonly used in the United States of America. If you have these keys, the keys that you use in the USA, you want to be able to say to a prospective client, hey, I've got the key, let me look it up. So you're just plain gonna just simply unzip your case, and you're gonna find your keys easily just by sight. So you're gonna look your keys over, and you're gonna know exactly what keys are what. And eventually you're going to kind of understand by looking at these over the years just where the keys are at and in what case. You can buy these cases of all kinds, shapes, and sizes, but I thought these LingLingo cases for earrings was the way to go, guys. And you're going to see why. So let's get a close-up look, and you're going to have a blast tonight. Get yourself some popcorn and peanuts and maybe some soda, and let's get into the show. We're going to dive right into it. Again, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Yeah. So here's the cases by LingLingo. Great company. They make zipper earring cases, and these are well built. They'll last for years. I've had mine for a couple of years, and I recently just added to them. I made them actually practical. One of my buddies down in Florida, he has a portable key machine. It's battery operated. And he's thinking on just having it on his cart while he walks through the hospital. And when someone says, hey Neville, can you cut me a key? And they hold up this key like this. And Neville might say, well, I don't know. I don't have a key. I'll have to run out to my truck. Well, they're never going to wait around. But with LingLingo stuff, this right here is going to save the day. And you can make $5 a pop like nothing with just one of these key cases. So if you have this on your cart or you have it on your truck and someone comes up to you and they say, hey, can you make me a key? You're going to say, why, sure I can. But now you'll know where they're at, quite simply. Instead of searching through big monster cases like this, you can just look right in the case and see the key. So for instance, this is a quick set key, right? But where is it? Where is it in those cases? If it's not on my cart or between my seat, and I say, yeah, and then I have to stop the truck and go pull a case out and see if I got inventory. But if you've already made your LingLingo earring cases ahead of time, like this one here, this is all quick set stuff, and you know right where it's at. You open it up like this. You go straight to the page, which is, where is it? Oh, there it is right there. There's quick set, you know, right where it's at. And you just say, sure, I'll make you a key. And you have your battery operated unit. You pull out the sleeve and you have 5 blanks right there. And if you need more, it says right here, it's under the B11. So there's my B case. I just go to the 11th number and I can get more keys. But look at how neat this is. Nicely sealed pouch. So these will last forever. And you just pull out your keys, how many you need. Usually they want 5. So I stack 5 at a time. And then you have your keys and you can cut them for the folks. Now, how practical is this? I'm thinking it's real practical, especially if you have a portable unit, battery operated. You can throw this on your cart, these cases, like nothing. Just put them on your cart while you're wheeling through the hospital with your battery operated key duplicating machine. And you got a shirt on you that says keys made here. Some states you don't even have to be licensed, which is really cool. And some you do. You have to be a licensed locksmith. But if not, you can just cut some keys. Now, I just don't know if you can just duplicate a key for anybody. Maybe you can. I'm thinking you can. You stick in $1 in the key machines at Lowe's, and you can make a key right there, right? Is anybody asking you, are you licensed? And I don't think so. So everybody should own a battery-operated duplicating machine and get yourself some LingLingo cases. I have in my description the keys that are commonly used in the United States of America. And for as little as a few bucks for this case, and you buy these keys on sale from your various key suppliers. You can even get them from Lowe's, Home Depot, and you can get them from Amazon, the keys. Buy them, and then when you're walking somewhere or you're driving and you have your portable battery operated duplicating key machine that you can buy from Amazon or from American Key Supply or various other suppliers, you can make yourself some money on the side just duplicating keys with your portable units. Let's get a fly-in on these things. So here are the units. I love them. I've got 6, 3 for the A and 3 for the B. There's the 3 B's and here's the 3 A's. They're inexpensive and they take the place of carrying this huge container. I mean, these containers are nice, but they need to stay in the truck. And you can carry these right with you guys. You do not have to carry those big cases. And then if someone asks for a key, you can just look in here, find the key, and you have 5 behind each one of your front keys. I think this is a great system. I really do. Simple to put together. So there's a key, and behind that key is 5 keys. And then I have them marked behind here as well. So all I have to do is look under B11, and I can go right over to my system here, find B11, which is way up here in the corner. There's B11. And in there, pop that open, get the rest of my keys if I need them. So there we have it, guys. LingLingo to the rescue. I sure like these cases, and I think you will too. Thank you guys for tuning in, And hopefully LingLingo will be what you're looking for as well. Again, thank you so much. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Yeah. If you want a free pick, I will send you one free. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to join my channel. All you got to do is send me your name and address. You'll see the email that you got to send it to in the end of this video. Send me your name and address. I will send you one of these picks. Now these are great. Now, Ken is a great guy, okay? These are odd colored picks. They're not supposed to be this color for an 18,000 thick pick. Put gold paint on here so that he wouldn't get mixed up. And they're hooks. Let's see this batch here. I got 300 of these. Are they round hooks? Yeah, they're round. Real good close look here. Let's get out some picks. Look at these picks. These are beautiful. I mean, seriously, come on, guys. Look at how gorgeous these things are. You want one. So send me your email with your address in it, and I will send you out one of these picks free of charge. Ken is a great guy. He's my buddy, okay? My buddy. He's the major inventor of all this stuff years and years ago. So I'm just the avenue. Okay? I'm the avenue. And you guys reap the benefits of knowing Ken. So you need to thank him. You need to go to his website. There it is right there. And give him a high five. I'm going to send you one pick. So let's get it going. Hey guys, so these are probably around 46 millimeter. That's what the pick's thickness is. They're all sanded. These are high quality, super high grade metal. They won't just bend and break. So I'm giving you a great pick. Ken is a wonderful guy to have as a friend. And I'm going to tell you, you'll be his friend when this is all over because you're going to love this pick. Come on, email me. I want to give these away. Some gold on here, look at that. So he physically put this on himself. Now he's synonymous with the best quality in the world, okay? Peterson picks, everybody knows they're great. There they are. Wonderful. Now I'm not kidding you about these picks, guys. I got 300 picks, all super high quality from Peterson. Peterson picks. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at that. So all you gotta do is tell Ken how much you appreciate all his goodies. You just gotta tell Ken how much you appreciate everything he's given. I'm just the intermediary I'm so happy to send these out to you guys. So send me an email, one pick, free of charge, no shipping, straight to your door. Guys, these are 18 thousandths. Those are great picks. They're going to work everywhere. Nice hooks, the rounded end hooks. 18 thousandths. Look at all these picks. Oh, man. Come on, help me give them away. Look at how beautiful they are. No burrs. They're just miscolored. So Ken's a great guy, great friend of mine, and he wanted me to pass along his beauties. 18,000. Yeah!